to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today, I'm going to show you something that is plain and simple. But before I tell you this, let me explain something. A lot of people think that being a chef, you got to make these hard, complex meals that are going to take maybe 25 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes, maybe 3 hours, maybe 6 hours. That's including even cooking a turkey that is for 6 hours. But you know what? I'm here to tell you that being a chef, you don't need to make very hard meals that are going to take forever. You can make a meal as simple as taking 2 pieces of toast and adding some almond butter to it, just like this. And then you put it together. And there you go. You got an almond sandwich. Now, as a chef, you can't go around not eating your food or even showing it or even trying it before the end of your video, because then it proves that you didn't like the sandwich. So, here we go. I'm proving you that this almond butter sandwich is yummy as can be. I love it. Plain and simple, delicious, easy, took less than 5 minutes to do this. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe below, click the little red subscribe button so that you can be part of Jay's squad or Cooking with Jay Simkiewicz, and also click the little bell next to it so that you get the notification every time I upload a video at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So watch it accordingly to that time zone. Also, hit that thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, do whatever you have to, high five it, I don't care, just hit the thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias, and also comment below if there's something you want me to do for this cooking channel. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you for being part of Jay's squad and Cooking with Jay Simkiewicz. And also remember, the most important thing is be happy.